and greatly to be praised in the city of our Elohim, His holy mountain, beautiful in height, the joy of all the earth, Mount Zion, the far reaches of the north, the city of the great King. Elohim is in her citadels. He is known as a strong refuge. For see, the kings gathered together. They passed by united.
They saw,
they were astonished,
they were dismayed.
they were dismayed. They hurried away. Trembling seized them there, anguish like a woman in labor. With an east wind you shatter the ships of Tarshish. As we have heard, so have we seen in the city of Yahweh. Our Elohim, our Elohim, forever, ever.
Elohim,
Elohim, will make her stand firm forever. Selah. We have meditated on your covenant loyal love, O Elohim, in the midst of your temple as your name, O Elohim. So is your praise to the ends of the earth. Your right hand is filled with uprightness. Mount Zion rejoices. The daughters of Judah are glad because of your judgments. Walk around Zion, go all around her.